Ah, Mr. Jaws. Please come in to the confessional.
Oh, Holy Father. Thank you. Thank you.
It is good to have you here. So, how long has it been since your last confession?
Last time was 2 years ago.
2 years, I see. And was that human years or shark years?
Turtle years.
Turtle years? Oh, that is a long, long time. So, please tell me, what would you like to confess?
Oh, Holy Father. I'm very sorry, Father. I'm a killer.
A killer? Oh, that is very serious.
It's even worse, Father.
Oh.
I'm a serial killer.
That's not just some fishy tale, is it?
Oh, Father, it's true. I'm very sorry, but I keep killing them. I cannot help it, Father. I'm a serial killer, Father.
Oh, I see what you mean with this sort of cereal. Oh, I think I've made a mistake. This sort of cereal. This is not important at all. Cocoa Puffs are nothing in the plan of God. You can eat as many of them as you like. Chew them up and spit them out and everything. Yes. Oh, yes. They're of no value at all. You can keep your free shot.
Thank you, but you want some?
Oh, yeah, I love that. Very nice. Oh, God bless you and go on your way.
Okay, it's time to do the roll call again. Okay, let's do the roll call again, Sashimi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think we missed something. What do we miss, Sashimi? Really? I think I forgot the total. Oh yeah. Oh, you're there, total. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, done.
That shark! You attacked me yesterday. I think it was the Pope presence that saved me. Really? That shark.
I think we need a plan to defeat the shark.
Yes.
Yeah, I agree. What do you think we should do?
We can catch him. Catch him.
By what? A rope. Oh, that's a good idea.
I have this. Oh, what's that? It's the sheet I found on the ocean there. Oh, a fish.
Yeah, we
We're
should.
gonna kick some sharks in tonight.
Yeah, we should all get together.
Here he comes. Oh, there he is. There he is. Ready? Get set.
Help me! Someone help me, please! Oh no! What are you doing?
I'd like to be under the sea. The pussy's garden. Oh!
Hello, Father.
Oh, hello.
So, what are you doing here?
Oh, I am the Pope of the Poor, and so I have come to wash the fins of the prisoners here. But where is my friend here? Why is he here in prison?
Help me, Father.
We have to catch him, Father. He's a serial killer. Yes, Father. He's a serial killer.
same mistake that I made. You see, he is not a serial killer. He is a serial killer. This is what he goes after. I think you have been mistaken, as I myself was.
But how do you know?
How do I know? Well, even though I am the Pope of the Poor, I am still infallible.
Are you sure, Father?
Oh, yes, and by the way, he told me about it in confession yesterday.
Well, the zero call for confessional. You're breaking the rules.
Breaking the rules? No, even though I am the Pope of the Poor, I make the rules. So I have assured him that he can eat as many Coca-Cola cups as he likes, as they're worthless. I think you should release him and all become friends again. Because the Pope of the Poor brings liberty to captives wherever he goes.
Thank you, Holy Father.
And so the Pope swam off in his way.
Swept off.
Was swept off. So swam off on his way to Rio, leaving his friends in Little Fish Land in safety.
Swept off.
Or were they?
Guys, machine coming fishing.
I think they got sushi and sashimi.
Wait,